The recorded history unfolds the deep-rootedness and precedence of Sudan's civilization over many other civilizations in the ancient world. In the past, Sudan went through different historical periods where it appeared as an important power, namely during the era of the Old Kush, Nabta and Meroe kingdoms. Several thousands of years ago, the kingdom of Meroe knew iron melting and usage of iron. Afterward emerged the kingdom of Sinar, which utilized iron for shielding and armoring, succeeded by Al-Mahdi estate, which manufactured gunpowder and ammunitions, and for the first time used the firearms seized as war booty during the fights against the colonial forces. Since then, thoughtful attempts were undertaken to manufacture and produce arms and ammunitions. Hence, the reign of former President Ibrahim Aboud, 1958 to 1964, witnessed the first fruit of the modern defense industry in Sudan. In 1960, as a result, a Shajara ammunition plant was inaugurated to produce small arms ammunitions. Furthermore, there were serious efforts conducted to develop this nascent industry under the Military Economic Institution during the rule of Field Marshal Jafar Nimeri, 1969 to 1985. Following the National Salvation Revolution government's accession to power, it sought diligently to meet the defensive needs of the homeland, looking to safeguard its national sovereignty. Therefore, it established the Military Industry Corporation, the MIC, in 1993. Its establishment was considered as the real kickoff for the defense industry in Sudan. MIC has started genuine efforts aimed at supporting and capacitating the armed forces, in addition to providing indispensable solutions to the armed forces to upgrade their capabilities and military might. MIC owns huge and diversified industrial and technological capabilities and potentialities, which include the following: proficient and competent personnel, advanced engineering and industrialization capabilities. MIC's activities are focusing on the following areas: ammunition, different types and calibers, weapons, light, medium and heavy weapons, armored vehicles and main battle tanks, chemicals, explosive, outfits and equipment, electronic industries, aviation industry, marine industry, maintenance, repair, and automotive industry. MIC produces various types of ammunitions, tanks, artilleries and rocket launchers ammunitions, anti-tank and anti-aircraft ammunitions, rifles, light and medium machine guns ammunitions, pistol ammunitions. MIC produces various types of conventional weapons, small arms, light, semi-automatic rifles, grenade launchers, anti-tank and anti-aircraft weapons, heavy and medium artilleries, armored vehicles and tanks, main battle tanks, tracked and wheeled armored personnel carriers, self-propelled guns, customized vehicles. With regard to the industry of propellants and explosive, MIC produces TNT and cellulose nitride. MIC provides various types of military gear and accoutrements, beside other special equipment such as clothes, military boots, tents, insignias and metal, fuel tanks, water tanks, mobile workshops and mobile clinics, and earth-moving equipment and machines and bridge equipments, and car batteries. MIC manufactures plenty of electronic devices and software. military communication devices, night and day vision goggles and thermal goggles, laser aiming devices, maritime and airborne surveillance and reconnaissance systems, simulators for training, manufacture and upgrading of airborne, ground coastal radars, in addition to early warning radars, command control, communications, computers and electronic warfare systems, combat management systems, software used in defense and civil systems. It's worth mentioning that MIC has embarked on aviation industry based on integrated systems as the following: design and manufacture of light aircrafts, maintenance, overhaul and upgrading of aircrafts, training of pilots and air crews in all aviation fields. In the field of marine activities, MIC sets out on building integrated systems which mainly cover the following: design and manufacture of boats and ships, building, rehabilitation and maintenance of naval vessels, military naval applications, training and qualification systems. It also manufactures special operation crafts and fast attack crafts. MIC aimed to localize the automobile industry in the country by transferring and localizing many industries and applications needed for the manufacture of automobiles through integrated systems. MIC mainly produces light, medium and heavy trucks, ambulances, fire trucks and garbage trucks. MIC provides services in the areas of upgrading, maintenance, repair, overhaul of equipment and defense systems through its high-tech, well-equipped and proficiently staffed integrated maintenance centers as the following: military cargo aircrafts, fixed-wing and rotorcraft fighters, tanks and wheeled and trucked armored vehicles, military vehicles, radars and air defense systems, and guns and artillery. In the areas of construction and related services, MIC provides the following: designing and construction of airports, battle command training facilities, and different types of sheltering. MIC provides training services in operating and maintenance of equipment and systems, training engineers, pilots, aircrew and ground operators, and parachutes training. MIC has sustained the country's industrial sector by providing consultancies and solutions, automating and upgrading production lines, beside the localization of many industrial products as tools and machine, mechanical parts. MIC is focusing since the first day of its creation on enhancing the competencies of its employees by providing of continuous training and learning opportunities for them to keep pace with the industrial progress and developments. And it's seeking to add competitive advantages to its products and services and to provide consultancies and solutions to the industrial sector. MIC also introduced and developed a package of advanced technologies in the field of management, including advanced training, computing systems, and development of human resources. MIC is dedicated to create and promote a healthier and safer environment for its own employees and its works. MIC also, at an equal level of attention, puts emphasis on maintaining of an environment free from pollution by establishing laboratories to check, measure and guarantee the tolerable environmental levels of pollution, not to allow them to go beyond the acceptable level. MIC focuses on the safety of its workers, therefore it established effective administrative units for safety and emergency. Committed to its social responsibilities, MIC opted to create optimal partnership with the community, resulted in the moral and material support to social, educational and health facilities. MIC contributes to the development and well-being of the community. MIC helped much in creating job opportunities for thousands of qualified Sudanese cadres. MIC also plays a central role in promoting and advancing scientific research and sponsoring of creative, talented people, especially in the sphere of invention and innovation. Pursuing its own efforts to enlarge its capabilities and expertise and diversify its fields of activities, MIC will stride out steadily towards the realization of its mission through the production of excellent products in both defensive and civil areas, reckoning on its qualified and competent personnel and on its developed system, all with God's assistance.